goes down. Which is all about, of course, Jeff Buckley, who died at the Wolf River Marina, which must be where it enters Mississippi, about 100 miles south at Memphis, to where he was to play that day and never turned up. Duncan refers to the Mississippi, and this is the closest place we have to it on the journey. Then we'll have 34 minutes, and we can start off with part one of Hair. This is the Hair concert I recorded in May, I think it was May 2003 in Melbourne. So we're going to start putting all that on as well. Let's get going with The Body Goes Down.
Once in a while, a man comes along. Even his failures were favorite songs. Oh, to have made something so unsurpassed, as certain things fall away, so certain things last. Body goes down in the Mississippi waters, weighted by a beauty, afraid of his light. Notify your holy men, console your sons and daughters, and tell me one more time what is just, what is right. Chances are good we spread blasphemous lies. Safe to say nobody knew what was inside. Of course there is grace and those halos of pain. Maybe he sang what he came here to sing. In the Mississippi water, weighted by a beauty, afraid of its light. Notify your holy men, console your sons and daughters, and tell me one more time what is just, what is right. Speed on to the next world. Speed on to the next life. Better, I'm sure, by far. Orpheus-driven, treasure given. Heal the most broken of hearts. Speed on. Speed on. Speed on.
Oh, thank you, Duncan Sheik. He's a great songwriter. Some of his stuff